I need to do this fast because it's incredibly hot out here and my phone's about to overheat. But I want to get this on my anchor chain before I wash the boat. As you can see, it's covered in bird poo again, but it's crazy hot mower out there, so I apologize for the noise. But this is Corrosion X, and if you have followed me for a while, you know that I had a pile of anchor chain that completely rusted on me and turned into whoa, that's a hornet, turned into a ball of 400 pounds of rust. So I had beautiful new anchor chain put on last year, and I've been looking for ways to really protect it that went a step beyond just rinsing it off, and I think I have found it. This is not a sponsored post. I just did some reading about lanolin and lanolin as a protectant. Don't worry, it didn't go in the ocean. And I'm going to see if I can make this work. Don't worry, I'll clean off the fiberglass as well. I need 3 hands. And where's my tripod, you ask? Well, I broke it. Yet again. Actually, doesn't smell as bad as I was expecting it to smell. So I'm just gonna have to do it this way. And basically, I'm gonna put nearly the entire can in. There's a $30 can. So extreme protection for marine, and make sure it gets worked through. And now I'm just going to make sure that this chain, oh my god, it's so hot I can barely touch it already. I was going to paint the anchor, but I think I'm actually just going to put this stuff on it and leave it at that. I see a couple other spots. Okay, I used about 80% of the can on my anchor chain and a little bit on the front of the windlass here. I did not want to get too far into the windlass because the windlass has its own set of grease and lube, so just basically stayed on the surface. I have about 20% of the can left. Keep it on board, and I'm going to leave the lazarette open for a little bit to let that air out, and then I'm going to come back and wash the whole boat. But I might wait for some clouds because